Hi, I'm Mike Garbe with Digi-Star. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to adjust your MoistureTracker's readings with your preferred dry down method. We found out that not all dry matter readings result in the same number. So depending upon whether you're using a lab or a dehydrator or a microwave or any other dry down method, we can match those dry down readings by just adjusting the calibration code on the MoistureTracker. First, we're going to want to take a representative sample of your feed, which you can refer to some of our other videos on the best method to do so. Then we are going to take 20 scans on our feed here and record our dry matter readings and how we want to adjust them. Now, may be a good idea halfway through to adjust your feed so that you get the moist samples on top. As you can see, this resulted in a 29.4 dry matter reading, which is 2 points higher than what I expected with my earlier dry down. Now to drop it 2 points, I'm going to adjust my calibration code. Go to your home screen, select Calibrate Sensor, and this six-digit code that is on your white balance card is going to be what we're going to adjust. So from this screen, I'm going to press 3, and the last 2 digits I'm going to lower about 5 counts per point. So since I was 2 points high, I'm going to lower this down 10 counts. Once I've done so, I need to recalibrate on my white balance card, and we're going to try the dry matter reading one more time. If you prefer to compare your dry matters to a lab, you're going to want to take your sample and put it in an airtight bag and store it in the refrigerator until you get your lab results back to make sure the dry matter does not change between the point where you tested it and the point where you try testing it again for comparisons. If you're doing it on the same day, for instance a microwave or a dehydrator, you could put it in just an airtight bag. If you did your dry matter beforehand, you could just do it right away without storing it. As you can see, now our dry matter results are 26.9, which is closer to my expected results from my earlier dry down. If we needed to adjust higher or lower, we would just change the calibration number by less counts. Anytime we're finished using the MoistureTracker, we need to try to keep the probe head clean. We provided a brush for large particles. Also, we can take the grate off and use the brush inside to make sure there are no large particles of hay or corn inside the probe head. For very wet feeds, for instance distiller grains, we're probably going to want to use the Digi-Star lens cleaner and the towel. And again, not all dry down methods result in the same dry matter reading. If you want the MoistureTracker to more closely match your preferred on-farm dry down method, we can do so by adjusting the MoistureTracker calibration code. If your preferred method is from a lab or a longer dry down process, be sure to store your sample in a cool, dry, airtight container to better preserve the quality of your sample. And finally, be sure to keep your probe head clean from dirt and debris to ensure the best possible results.